Hello everyone. Today we have a bone-in ribeye 21-day aged steak. It's the first time I went to a butcher, so we're going to try this out and see how tender this is. So this one, all we did is we put salt, pepper, and Montreal seasoning sauce. So we did that for about an hour in the fridge. We took it out, let it sit about half an hour, and I'm going to pat it down, get all the moisture off. And then I'm going to add more salt since I took it out. A little bit of that. I add ground pepper, and I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning. I see seasoning on it, so I'm not going to add too much. Okay. And then I'm going to flip it over since I don't want to get my hands dirty. I'm just going to use this. Add more pepper on the other side. Add some pink salt. And I'm going to add a little bit Montreal steak seasoning. Alright? Okay, so we're just going to let it sit for another 15 minutes until the grill gets super hot. And I'm going to use a cast iron on this one, not the grill. Alright, so we'll be right back. Everybody, we're using the cast iron. It's super hot. I'm going to throw some fat in here to get the oil it up. Alright, got oil in there, or you can use vegetable oil. Take the fat off. And when you put the steak, put it away from you so it don't splatter you. Alright, we just barely got it in here. This is about 2 inches. We're going to cook it. We're going to start the timer and cook it for about a minute and a half. It's been about a minute and a half, and I'm just going to do a quarter turn to get the grill mark. Alright, give it a good press. Alright, we'll be right back. So it's been about a minute and a half, and we're going to flip the steak. And you can see the nice markings on here. Alright, so we're going to cook this another 3 minutes, about a minute and a half, and then we're going to turn it. And then I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit. Alright? Alright, so it's been about 6.5 minutes. I'm just going to turn this a little bit for that grill mark. And we're going to let it cook just, I did the temperature, let's see. I think it's about 117, so it's almost there. So we're going to want it at 125. And then when it rests, it gets to 130. Alright, so we'll be right back. So we get, if you like the fat, we can eat the fat. If you don't, but at least cook the sides a little bit. All the way around. I want to cook this side a little bit more. There's a little fat there. Some of us like that. Alright, now we're going to take it out and we're going to rest it for 5 minutes and then we'll cut it up. So, the steak is done, folks. This is the ribeye, bone-in ribeye, 21-day age. And now we're going to cut it up and see how it looks. We're going to do it, we're just going to cut the bone off here. Okay, now we're going to cut, I'm going to flip this over since I'm going to cut this way. So this is actually a nice piece of meat right here, this part. And we're going to cut some of this fat off. I'm going to shave some of this off. Look at that. see that? That looks beautiful. All right, let's just. So this is medium rare. I don't have gloves, so I'm just gonna cut it this way. And here you go. Take a look. See that? Medium rare. And we're going to try one out. That is so good. Oh, that tastes actually really good. I think the steak is worth it. It's very tender. And the salt we put on, if you don't like salt, cut the salt back, but it's really good. You want to try it? Tell me how.
I'll turn it around.
Oh no, here, I'll take it. He's speechless.
Wow, so juicy. Nothing. I don't think it's Charlie.
Yeah. All right, you heard it, folks. This is what it is. Enjoy it, and go to the butcher shop or somewhere and get a good quality piece of meat.